My own. I'm going to scoot you towards me. Okay. All right, Levi. Can you look over here? Yeah, good job. Good. Can you look over here? This way. Good job. Good. Can you look back down? Look back down in the hole. Doing so good. Oh, give me those legs. Good. Okay, are you ready for a click?
Yes.
Okay. Good job. Did that feel funny? Did it tickle? Can you look this way? Thank you. And then this way. You guys are so good at this. Back down. Good. Okay. We're going to do another click right here.